Alright, this is right here. It says Fragile. Looks like it's very well. Looks like it's packaged very well. Really happy about that. Don't want to go too deep. Okay. Put this bad boy right there. I don't know what it's pointing at. Got all this protection. I'm gonna add this bad boy to the collection. Here we go, here we go. Start right there, my boy. Oh damn, this motherfucker's big. Look at that shit. That's a license plate. You can see how big it is. Might as well go all the way. Need that. Nice Tiarra grill. Nice Tiarra plate for the Tiarra grill. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Let me get it out of here. Get a good look at it. Tiarra grill, G20 van ready. Got the nice double mesh, really nice, really clean, full chrome badge in the middle. Check out the mounting brackets. There goes the popular authenticity sticker. Boom, right here. And then you got the brackets. It looks like it has 5 total, 3 on the top, and 1 on each side. This one is available for sale. I ordered it to have it ready to go. So I have one of these grills for a G20 van in stock, ready to bolt up. Hit me up. Beautiful.